Behind this sliding door is a new closet. Hey you guys, so I'm standing in my closet. It is closet painting time. We've aligned on this color, Power Pink, because we figured if we're gonna make it pink, we might as well make it pink. I've taken off all of the prior shelving, filled in the holes. So now we will get to business. I have this. I have all the paints. I'm so excited. So I realize I never did a proper intro, but for those that are new here, welcome. My name is Thor, and this is Anthropology. We recently just moved into this new space, and part of this was getting this whole room set up to be a functional walk-in closet. Prior to this, it was an office space, sort of like a den that the previous people living here set up, but we have always fantasized about having a big walk-in closet, somewhere where we could get dressed and just have a space of our own. We ended up picking pink for two reasons. One, I did low-key model this after the Murakami cherry blossom colors and built the whole closet around this one scarf that I bought, but it doesn't matter because it looks incredible. So I ended up taking everything out and just fixing everything. You'll see throughout, this is my first time actually fully painting a room. It was a lot more difficult than I expected, but I will be doing more reno type videos soon. I want to tackle the bedroom, I want to tackle the kitchen, I want to change the bathrooms. So if this is the type of content you're looking for, normally my content is fashion focused, but I figured why not bring you through my reno journey with me. And if you like it, please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think of the closet. Let me know what you think of the color choice. And enjoy the rest of the video. Okay, first coat. It's already giving. So now I just have this wall and this one. Wow, the lighting has changed significantly. It's all pink. Okay, coat one. It's not showing up true. It's more pink than this. So I did two coats. It looks way better with two, and I forgot to film. Sorry, I just got too into it. But now I'm doing white on these baseboards. How do people film this DIY stuff? I'm like, it's really hard actually to focus. And film, and focus and film, and focus and film, and focus and film. It's probably gonna need a few coats of this white on top here. Just because I want to make sure it's really bright. And obviously clean up all this stuff that I left. Okay, I've done a lot of the trim. Now it's time, now it's time to just clean up the ceiling here. As you can see, there's some marks from where like paint and whatnot was, but everything else is looking really good so far. Very fun. Hey you guys, so I didn't film a lot, I'm sorry, it was bad, but we moved the closet yesterday. It was a labor of love, let me tell you. It took 4 hours when we originally thought it would take like 1 or 2. It was a lot harder than we expected, but it's all in there now. It's still unfinished, but it's much, much, much better than where it was before. I will need to do some slight repairs from the move, but that's okay. So let me show you where it's at. Okay, behind this sliding door is a new closet. Oh my God. Wow! Look at this. So we decided to take the doors off, leave them off, and this is what the room looks like. So Robin's side is over there, my side is over here. I sort of raged on it yesterday and destroyed the back, but that's okay. We're gonna put something in this corner, maybe like an updated laundry hamper in here, maybe some storage. I'm currently trying to figure out if I should put some shelving here because this is where I want to do the cherry blossom scarf. But I'm like, do I add a shelf underneath it with all of my like little things? I don't know. And then we also have these hooks, which I'm thinking of placing somewhere here. And then we also will have one on this side as well. So this is where we're at. During the move, unfortunately damaged the wall, but that's okay. We have extra paint and can fix it, but it looks so much better. It's so much nicer. It's crazy. Our old bedroom used to actually be like low-key the size of this closet, which is like absolute insanity. But I set up all my little things here, which how cute. The cats did ruffle it up this morning, which don't appreciate, but that's okay. But yeah, I can't wait to actually get everything like set up and ready to go. Oh my God, I love... Okay, you guys, it's finally ready. I can finally do the reveal. It's been a labor of love, and I didn't film my last bits and pieces because it was a lot harder to like focus on it when I was focusing on filming, but whatever. You'll get to see the full thing now. So drum roll. Let's see. Okay, so as before, here's the door. Okay, so when you walk in, we added this rug, which used to be in our living room. It's actually my grandmother's old rug. We have a mirror there. This is my side, Robin's side. Start with my side. To the left, we have just a set of drawers where we have like underwear, undergarments and stuff. We have bag hooks and other hooks. So I'm currently using this bag. Also love this one in the summer. This one I just got too, mini version of that. My little pochette here, which actually looks really cute on these cat hooks from IKEA. This is where my scarf will go, the Murakami cherry blossom scarf, which has been delivered to my parents' house in New Zealand. So, not that. But when I get it in December, it'll be here. Onto this side. Robin's hooks there. He has a backpack, his current sweatsuit, his underwear, whatever drawer, and then a shelf here. We didn't want to overfill it with stuff because obviously we wanted it to be pretty like neutral. I added in my little figurines here, my bear brick, my dunnies, along with like how my stuff is like merchandised. These little figurines may go in the bedroom when we are at that stage of the reno update project, but right now this is it. I'll put in what it looked like before, but it's actually like crazy the transformation that's been done on this room, and we're so happy that it's done now and it's functional. Like I may add another shelf either like here or like up there for Robin, but as of right now, this is where it's at, and this is probably where it will stay.